Welcome, in front of me is a BLU Vivo One Plus from 2019, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, we will need to power off the device by holding the power key and wait for it to shut off. Now once the device is off, which will be indicated by the vibration, you want to then hold the power key and volume up both of these keys at the same time. And soon after we should see the blue logo and also in the black text recovery mode next to it. So just wait for it, and there we go. So we're now in the recovery mode. And in here you want to select reboot to bootloader, which is the second option, and you select it using volume keys like so. And then when it's selected, press power key to confirm it. We'll get a dialog box on the bottom saying rebooting to bootloader. And there we go. We're now in the Fastboot mode, as you can see on the bottom right here. So that is how you would access this mode. Now, if you want to leave this mode, hold power key. There we go. And once the recovery mode logo disappears from the bottom, you will see that it turns back on automatically. So give it a moment and the device should boot up back up into the Android system. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.